The goal of GrabPay Point Farming is simple: maximize every dollar you spend while minimizing unnecessary transactions. To achieve that, the first step is understanding how points are earned. Grab allocates a fixed number of points per dollar spent when you pay using GrabPay Wallet or the GrabPay card. The objective is to route as many eligible daily expenses as possible through GrabPay, ensuring every payment becomes a point-generating activity. Start by identifying all categories that consistently reward points, including food delivery, rides, in-store purchases with GrabPay QR, and online payments where GrabPay is accepted. Prioritize merchants that maintain full point eligibility. Many supermarkets, pharmacies, cafes, and lifestyle stores fall into this category. Avoid restricted merchants that give reduced or 0 points. This alone prevents wasted transactions that look convenient but generate no value. Once eligible expenses are mapped out, consolidate all predictable monthly spending into GrabPay. This includes subscriptions, mobile top-ups through approved channels, groceries, transport, utilities where supported, and small recurring purchases such as digital services. Every dollar routed through GrabPay compounds your total monthly point yield. Take advantage of periodic Grab promotions that multiply points. Boosters, flash campaigns, and seasonal rewards often increase point output 2 to 5 times on specific spending categories. Aligning your high-value transactions with these campaigns significantly accelerates farming. Track offers inside the Grab app and time larger payments during active multipliers. Use the GrabPay card for online platforms that do not accept the wallet directly. This extends coverage to global merchants while still generating points. Maintain disciplined spending. The strategy is not to buy more, but to redirect what you already pay for into the Grab ecosystem. Redeem your accumulated points strategically by focusing on rewards with the highest dollar value per point, including partner vouchers, ride discounts, or periodic cashback deals. With consistent routing, eligible merchant selection, and promotion alignment, GrabPay Point Farming becomes a reliable method to maximize everyday spending value.